10 ways to make women chase you down. How to make her chase you, reverse psychology. Today, we present 10 effective methods to inspire her pursuit of you. In our quest for you to be the sought-after individual rather than the pursuer, we also explain why women may not exhibit the same level of interest as you and provide insights on how to alter that dynamic. Employ these 10 straightforward steps to swiftly elicit girls' pursuit of you. 10. Keep the lead open. When it comes to extinguishing a woman's interest, one of the most common mistakes men make is prematurely celebrating their success and squandering their advantage. Let's illustrate this scenario. Imagine a guy and a girl engaged in a conversation where she's laughing and smiling, and he starts believing that his approach is effective. However, instead of capitalizing on the positive momentum he has built, he gets carried away with excitement and neglects the very thing that brought the girl joy. The lesson to learn: don't give up before the task is complete. This is one approach to inspire her pursuit and make her chase after you. 9. Put her in the friend zone. Believe that only guys endure the struggles of being stuck in the friend zone? Think again. Just like the friend zone has a tendency to make guys appear somewhat desperate, it has a similar effect on girls as well. Now, here's a thought-provoking question. If you found yourself in a situation where you could potentially relegate a girl to the friend zone, would you actually do it? If you're like most guys, you wouldn't risk losing a girl who has genuine interest in you. However, if being pursued is truly your desire, you'll find a way to make her question whether you're more than just a friend. 8. Warm up her social circle. A significant factor that often restrains a girl from pursuing a guy wholeheartedly is how her friends perceive him. This is because a girl's friends serve as an extension of her own identity. In essence, if a guy is deemed suitable for a girl, he must also be accepted by her social circle. While there are certainly women who deviate from the influence of their social circles, in many cases, it's almost a natural rule of thumb. If you desire a girl to feel comfortable enough to chase after you, you'll need to establish a positive connection with her group of friends first. 7. Leave if you have to leave. Because when it comes down to it, you can't expect to be pursued if you never take the first step, correct? In the eyes of women, there are essentially two types of men: those who are constantly on the move and those who can remain grounded. Interestingly, it's the men who can't always be available who truly captivate a woman's interest. 6. Tell her she's a distraction. Here's a little secret to inspire her pursuit: women actually appreciate not being the sole focus of your life, as long as they are competing for your attention in relation to your goals. In other words, women find productivity remarkably attractive and something worth chasing. So, if you're a busy individual, here's a method to make a woman chase after you. In a respectful manner, let her know that she acts as a distraction to you. Not only will she be unable to disregard the fact that you have other commitments beyond her, but expressing that you find it challenging to ignore her presence can be a genuinely flattering compliment. Just remember to choose your words carefully to ensure it is conveyed positively. 5. Contrast your attention. If your busy schedule prevents you from spending much time with her, make sure that the moments you do share are truly meaningful. Engage in conversations, actively listen, and refrain from constantly checking your phone. In essence, give it your all and create memorable experiences when you are together. This approach is effective due to the stark contrast in your level of attention. By transitioning from limited availability to providing undivided focus, you have the opportunity to pleasantly surprise her with a side of you that she doesn't get to witness often enough. 4. Dare to disagree. Before you embark on this advice, here's a crucial point to remember: avoid the tendency to disagree with every little thing a woman says just for the sake of disagreement, as it's unlikely to lead anywhere productive. However, the truth remains: if you genuinely desire women to pursue you, you must be willing to do what many men won't, to showcase your own humorous, intelligent, and somewhat original thoughts. The reasoning behind this is simple: Any woman can find a yes man who readily agrees with everything she says. While these individuals may be pleasant, they are also quite common. On the other hand, a man who doesn't simply nod and smile in agreement but instead expresses his genuine opinions is not only far more captivating but also significantly rarer than someone who is too apprehensive to voice their true thoughts. 3. Keep the conversational tension. Here's a potentially positive revelation for some of the laid-back guys out there. One of the simplest methods to become an appealing and captivating individual worth pursuing is to lean towards speaking less than you might initially feel compelled to. Allow me to explain how it operates. By letting the girl take the lead in conversation while you contribute slightly less, it can generate a captivating level of tension between the two of you. In doing so, it not only sparks her curiosity but also establishes a subtle game. Your role becomes maintaining the conversational tension while it becomes her responsibility to ease it. 2. Use the Midas touch. Let's talk about the matter of touching women. Surprise. The majority of guys lack proper knowledge in this area. It's unfortunate because understanding how to touch a woman in the appropriate manner might be the crucial key to igniting intense and irresistible attraction. Why is that? Well, not only do women genuinely enjoy being touched in the right way, but a man who demonstrates restraint and sensitivity through his touch is truly rare to find. 1. Let her lead. Dear gentlemen, when it comes to the pursuit, you have played your part, but now it's time to hand over the reins to her. If you have reached the stage where it's appropriate to let her take the lead, it's likely because you have done an exceptional job of inspiring her pursuit. The number one thing you can do to make women run away. There is a specific behavior that guys often engage in, ensuring that women will never pursue them. When we consider everything we have discussed thus far, it boils down to one fundamental aspect: girls are drawn to guys who don't play games. Curious about why some guys are chased by women? It's because those guys aren't merely pretending to be hard to get, they genuinely present a challenge. On the contrary, the surefire way to always find yourself pursuing women is by displaying desperation. Naturally, it's unlikely that you purposefully act this way. Moreover, getting a girl's number isn't a matter of life or death. However, if women perceive you as just another desperate guy solely interested in scoring, not only will they lack interest, but they may also actively avoid you. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new facts. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.